Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is building a lasagna. Okay, we're gonna go and it swipes out. So today, per request, I have put together an idea to how to show you how to build lasagna. We're going to first start off with the wonderful meat sauce I put together earlier today. Wonderful flavors. Yum, 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 yum. Ricotta cheese mixture. There's ricotta, whole milk ricotta, Parmesan, and mozzarella. And some herbs and spices. We'll be working with pre-cooked lasagna noodles. You can see they're really wide. And later on, we'll top it off with some extra sharp cheddar and some mozzarella. I fly in my 9x13 pan. You can use glass, you can use a metal. I just happen to own a glass 9x13. So we're going to start with a real thin layer of the meat sauce. This will help it from not sticking to the pan. I just use the ladle to push it around. There we go. And we'll do the first layer of noodles. And from this point, we will go to the ricotta mixture. This is always the tricky part. Sometimes I just dig in here and just use my hands. Sometimes you just have to kind of dig into your food and play with it. Okay. The next, so basically what we'll do is top this off with more meat sauce. Just like so. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday. And after this, we will put another layer of noodles. And more ricotta. Again, I'm just going to use my hands. And here we go. And smooth, smooth, smooth. And some more sauce. Okay, and one more set of noodles. Getting really close to the top here. A little more ricotta. I will post the recipe for this lasagna tomorrow. Again, using my hands. Be right back. And one last topping of sauce. Yummy. Now for the final touches, some shredded mozzarella. And some shredded cheddar. And we'll clean up the edges. And there's your lasagna. I hope this was informative. I'll see you tomorrow for gadgets. Yes, I'm going to show off some of my favorite gadgets, and have a great day.